Riley, we don't eat toilet paper, bud.
Figure it out on his own.
Doesn't taste good, but it's fun to play with. Riley, no, baby. Nuh-uh.
Here.
Riley, it doesn't taste good.
I don't care. I want to eat it. My new favorite food.
Yay, toilet paper.
It's almost done. What are you going to do when it's done? Huh?
I think he thinks like a new sheet tastes different than the last. What are we going to do with all this?
The first and last time, okay, pal?
All done. Now what? What's next? Oh. Pretty, huh?
Me, Tarzan. Toilet paper. You want to put it back, huh? Yeah, that would be nice. Yeah. Put it back on there. Take it all off again.
Oh.
Just keep putting the same stuff on there, huh?
All done. Riley, say goodnight to everyone. Riley, look at Mama.
Ta-da! Good boy. There's no fun unless I can pull it off.
This is going to be the longest video ever.
Alright, bud. Time for bed. Or time for bath, I should say.